In part 1, we explored high profit products that are already trending and bringing in solid sales. Now it's time to switch gears and look at something fresh, the newest product hitting the market. These items are not just random picks, they are innovative, practical, and cater to emerging consumer needs. And the best part, you can find all of these products on Doba. If you have not used Doba yet, let me give you a quick picture. Doba is not just a catalog of products, it's an all-in-one dropshipping platform that connects you directly with suppliers and give you everything you need to run a store efficiently. Because with Doba, you get millions of products across every niche you can imagine: home gadgets, kitchen appliances, fitness, kids toys, seasonal items, and more. But that's not all. Doba also comes packed with AI-powered tools to make your life easier. For instance, AI Store Builder. This helps you create a professional-looking store in minutes, no coding or complicated setup. The second is AI Product Finder. It automatically finds trending products with high demand, means no more guessing what will sell. Also, AI Auto Listener updates your stock, pricing, and listing automatically, so you never oversell or lose track. An AI Listing Optimizer improves your titles, description, and SEO, helping your product get discovered faster. And here's the newest addition, Doba Video Hub. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to market products fast. It gives you sourcing ideas, expert pick trending products so you don't waste time guessing what to sell. Influencer picks product that creators are already trusting and loving, giving you instant credibility and social proof. Suppliers showcase a library of free high-quality videos from suppliers ready to download and run. You don't need to film or edit anything. Now that we know the tools we are working with, let's dive into top 5 fresh products that are starting to gain traction. These items not only have healthy profit margins but also solve real problems, making them too easy to sell. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's move to our product number 1, that is rechargeable ashtray air purifier. First up is a product for smokers and anyone concerned about indoor air quality, the rechargeable ashtray air purifier. This is not your ordinary ashtray. It comes with a built-in fan and HEPA filter system that helps remove cigarette smokes and odors. You can place it in your home, office, or even your car. On Doba, you can source these products for $24.42. That's an affordable entry point for a trending product that addresses a very real problem. So imagine selling this to people who want cleaner air without changing their habits. The appeal is instant. And even if you sell just 10 of this a week, that's extra income that's add up fast. And thanks to Doba Video Hub, you don't need to create a single ad from scratch. You can download ready-made videos from the supplier and launch your campaign the same day. Okay, the product number 2 is 28 feet Halloween inflatable ghost popping out of pumpkin. Seasonal products are a gold mine for dropshippers, and this 28 feet Halloween inflatable ghost is perfect for outdoor displays. Its massive features LED lights and pop out a pumpkin, instantly catching attention in any yard. Doba listed inflatable at $46.32, making it a smart product to source and sell with good margins. A seasonal item like this often sell quickly because people want to decorate for a holiday without spending too much effort. And of course, with Video Hub, you can use pre-made influencer-backed videos to showcase how the ghost looks in yard, how it's light up, and how easy to set up. This means you can start running ads immediately, getting ahead of the Halloween rush. Alright, so our product number 3 is sideboard storage cabinet with adjustment cells. If we talk about its feature, then it's elegant, functional, and versatile with golden handles, metal legs, and adjustable cells. It fits beautifully into living rooms, kitchens, or even as a stylish coffee bar station. The Doba price is $94.73, which is a reasonable for a product that combines style and practicality. Home organization continuing to be a booming niche as people are always looking for ways to declutter while upgrading their interior style. Even a few sales per week can generate hundreds of dollars in extra income. And again, Video Hub gives you a high quality videos to showcase the cabin in different setups, making it easy to create engaging ads that sell. And before we move on to our next products, it's worth highlighting Doba Video Hub again because it's such a powerful feature. Normally, marketing products takes days or even weeks, filming, editing, and creating ads, but with Video Hub, all of that is done for you. You get access to trending product suggestions curated by expert, product already tested and loved by content creators, giving instant credibility. Download ready-to-use videos that are professional, polished, and marketing ready. This tool alone can save you hours of work and helps you launch campaign faster than ever before. Alright, now let's back to our product number 4, that that is plastic foldable storage cabinet. Storage solutions are always in demand, and this plastic foldable storage cabinet is trending because it's lightweight, stackable and foldable. And it's really perfect for small apartments, dorms or home office. It provides a practical solution without taking up too much space. The Doba price varies depending on the size, but it's very affordable, making it an ideal product to test. The versatility means you can show it in different scenarios in your ads, from bedroom to a garage, and reach multiple audience. And again, with Video Hub you can download supply videos that show exactly how the cabinet works, how easy it is to fold and store, and all the way it can be used. Alright, now product number 5, that is dual basket digital air fryer oven. Alright, now is the finally time to dive into kitchen gadgets, especially the dual basket digital air fryer oven. This is a must-have for health conscious buyers who want to cook multiple dishes at the same time. With V windows and 1800 watt power and dual baskets, it's practical, efficient and already in high demand. Now the Doba price is $631.51, which is on the higher side, but considering the quality, dual cooking functionality and the value it provides is completely justified. This product allows you to enjoy their favorite fried foods with less oil while cooking 2 dishes simultaneously, making it a premium kitchen solution that customers are willing to invest in. And just like with all Doba products, Video Hub comes to the rescue, providing ready-made demo videos that showcase cooking demos, product features and step-by-step uses. Means again, you don't need to film a single video yourself, saving time and letting you launch market campaigns immediately. So here's a quick recap. We have covered 5 fresh and innovative products with strong profit potential. Doba provides millions of products across all niches. AI Hub handles your store setup, product research, listing optimizations and SEO. Video Hub delivers ready-made videos, influencer picks and curated product ideas, making marketing easier than ever. Normally figuring all of this out would take weeks or require hiring multiple freelancers, but with Doba you can do it all in one place, and the best part is that you can start testing everything with a 0.99 cents trial. So if you are ready to jump into dropshipping with the newest product in 2025, check the link below, grab the trial and start selling today. And if you want to learn more about Doba, then definitely watch this video now, and before going hit that subscribe button too.